Welcome to the world of AI. I am Manthan Patel, the course instructor for the course of chatbot creation using OpenAI Assistant API as well as using Voiceflow. Creating intelligent chatbots that not only respond but truly understand and engage your audience. This course isn't just about code, it's about unlocking the power of AI to revolutionize the way we connect with this technology. Imagine crafting intelligent chatbots that doesn't only respond but also truly engage with your audience. Also, you can sell this and monetize these chatbots to your clients, and you can start your own AI automation agency. We will be using Assistant API of OpenAI platform and Voiceflow, which is a low-code and no-code solution of creating and deploying chatbots in your own website, and it provides drag and drop feature which will be ease of us to create chatbot. At core of our journey is OpenAI Assistant API. But first, let's get personal. I'm not just your instructor. I'm your guide through this exciting adventure of AI and chatbot creation for our own website. In the first part of our course, we will uncover the secrets of ChatGPT 4 as well as we will learn how you can build chatbots that go beyond scripted response. Chatbots that truly connects with your audience. As we conclude, I want to thank you for considering this journey with me. It's time to turn our aspiration into achievements. Enroll now and let's start our learning experience that will reshape the way you interact with technology and AI. Don't miss out the future of AI. See you in the course.